All right, let's solve for the source voltage in this circuit. We're going to do it step by step.
The goal here is pretty simple. Find the value of that unknown voltage source, V.
And we're going to crack it using just 3 fundamental laws. Let's start with step 1. First up, we've got to find the current I flowing right through that middle resistor.
For that, we'll use a handy tool called Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL for short.
Okay, let's zoom in on this central point, or node, where all the paths meet.
The rule is easy. Current in equals current out. Here, 2 amps flow in while 2 currents flow out. Now, let's turn that simple relationship into a quick and easy equation.
If we say current leaving is positive, our equation for the node looks just like this.
Just combine the numbers, and it simplifies right down to this. Almost there for step 1.
And there you have it. I is 1 amp. Step 1, done.
All right, on to step 2. Let's find the voltage across that same 4 ohm resistor.
For this, we'll pull out the most famous rule in electronics, Ohm's law.
Since we know the current now, finding this voltage is going to be pretty straightforward.
We just plug our resistance and current into that classic V equals IR formula. And boom, the voltage is 4 volts. That's step 2, knocked out.
Okay, final step, let's find our main prize, the source voltage, V.
And for this last piece of the puzzle, we'll use Kirchhoff's voltage law, or KVL.
We're just going to focus on the closed loop on the left. Nothing else matters for now.
KVL is all about balancing voltages in a loop. Here are the numbers for our path.
When you put it all together, this is the KVL equation we get for that entire loop.
Now let's pop in that 4 volts we found earlier for the voltage on that 4 ohm resistor.
A little bit of quick math, and we're left with this super simple equation. So close.
And that's our answer. The source voltage V is exactly 24 volts. Problem solved.
But hang on, did you notice we totally ignored the right side? Why was that okay?